Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So festive season is officially here. Durga Puja, Navratri, then Diwali, Bhai Dooj, Chhat Puja, everything is lined up. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you a really simple, fun, festive makeup look, and to make it more, interesting, I'm gonna share with you how to make your wrong shade of foundation work for you. How many times it has happened with you that you saw a foundation online which you thought is your exact match, and you bought it and it's 2 to 3 shades darker than you. So if you have something like that, I'm going to share with you not one but two ways of making use of that wrong shade of foundation. So keep on watching. So the foundation I'll be using today is from Sugar. It's the Sugar Metal HD foundation, and it was my mistake. I ordered a wrong shade. So I'm gonna share with you how do I make it work once if I can open this. So I'm gonna share with you how I make my foundation work for me. Even when the shade is darker, as you can see, it's obviously darker than my skin tone. So first thing that I like to do is whenever there's a foundation or a concealer that has a yellow, orangish or pinkish tone to it, I like to use it as my color corrector because we use orange, red, pink color correctors for our dark circles, our acne marks and stuff. So if you have a concealer or foundation that is like this, 2 to 3 shades at least darker than you, use it as a color corrector. I'm gonna show it to you in a minute once I start blending it out, how nicely this wrong shade of foundation works as a color corrector. If you look closely in your color correcting palette, you will notice that those color correcting shades are similar to this, deeper foundation shades or deeper concealer shades. So if you have something like this, use it in the other way. So my corrector is in place. Now what I do is I take a little bit more of the wrong shade of foundation here, and with this I mix a lighter foundation. For this time I'm using the Dot & Key Strawberry Tinted Dewy Sunscreen in this shade Porcelain, which is obviously much lighter than my skin tone, as you can see. So I take about this much and I mix it. Now, whenever you have a deeper foundation or a concealer with you, always mix it with at least 2 to 3 shades lighter foundation or concealer, whatever works for you. Now, how much you are supposed to mix? You have to eyeball it completely, but if you take my suggestion, take little amount of the deeper shade of foundation or concealer and more amount of the lighter foundation or concealer. You can see I have mixed here both of the foundations, and I think it's pretty close to my actual skin tone. So I'm gonna see how it turns out once I start blending it. And in this way, you can actually, when you have a good formula of a foundation or a concealer, but the only problem with it is that it's not your shade. You can still use that formula for you. You can make it work for you like this by mixing it with 2 to 3 lighter shade of foundation or concealer from the same brand or a different brand, which is kind of similar in formulation. And you can see it's already blending it nicely into my skin. You can see how nicely it has blended into my skin. So that's how you can make your wrong shade of foundation work for you. So I'm gonna skip bronzing or contouring my face today because I want to focus on my blush. This is from Dream Beauty. This is my first time using any product from Dream Beauty. So the color is really nice. So I wanted the blush to be the center of attraction. So that's why I'm gonna skip bronzing or contouring and I'm gonna go straight to applying the blush. I'm not gonna directly apply it on my face. I'm gonna take a little bit. Oh, it's super creamy. A little bit right here, and then I'm gonna pick it up with my brush, and then I'm gonna apply it on my face. That way, you can control how much blush you are applying. So even and you can use lesser product as well. So I'm gonna pick up some of the blush and apply it on my face. Okay, the blush is really pretty. So now we're going to move on to the next step, which is this. This is the Dream Beauty First Light Liquid Highlighter. And I'm going to take a very little amount of this product because I have swatched it already and it's no doubt gorgeous but super immensely pigmented. I'm going to take this much, you guys can see. Then I'm going to apply directly with my finger on my eyes. Oh, see what's what I was talking about. Uh, I love this kind of a liquid highlighter, especially for my eyes. Okay, so eyes are done. I have just applied the mascara off camera. I have applied this the new Maybelline mascara. Everything would be linked down below. Now let's move on to the lipstick, and to bring everything together, I'm gonna wear a red lip tint. Yes. So this is also from Dream Beauty. It's in the shade Karma. What is the shade? So fun fact, did you know that while wearing a red lipstick, instead of lining your lips with a red lip liner, if you line your lip with the darkest chocolate brown lip liner that you have, it's gonna make your red lip, it's gonna take your red lip to a whole new level. Line your lips with a brown, chocolate brown lip liner like this. Blend everything inwards, like so. Then apply your red lipstick. See? What did I tell you? Now I'm gonna go do my hair and outfit off camera and I'll be right back. So this is my final look. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys also enjoyed this video with me. All the products that I used in this video will be mentioned in the description box down here. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any video requests, let me know in the comments and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, bye.